Alright, so you've probably heard people talking about Bitcoin and wondered, what on earth is it, and how are people making money from it? Let's break it down. Bitcoin is a digital currency. Think of it as money on the internet, but there are no coins, no notes, and definitely no banks calling the shots. It's all powered by a technology called blockchain, which is just a fancy way of saying loads of computers keep track of who owns what. Now, how do people actually make money with Bitcoin? There are a few main ways. First up, buying and holding, often called HODling in the crypto world. You buy some Bitcoin, stash it away, and hope that its value goes up over time. If you buy low and sell high, you pocket the difference. Simple, right? Then there's trading. If you're a bit more adventurous, you can buy and sell Bitcoin more often, trying to catch the ups and downs. It's a bit like the stock market, but it can be wild. Prices can swing dramatically, so it's not for the faint-hearted. Some people earn Bitcoin by mining, which basically means using powerful computers to solve complex puzzles. If you crack one, you're rewarded with new Bitcoin. But let's be honest, mining these days takes a lot of technical know-how and expensive gear, so most beginners stick to buying or trading. Finally, you can even earn Bitcoin by getting paid in it. Some companies will pay you for work directly in crypto, which is pretty cool if you're keen to avoid traditional banks altogether. So, whether you're thinking of investing, trading, or earning, remember, Bitcoin can be exciting, but it's risky too. Always do your research, start small, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. That's Bitcoin Unlocked. If you found this helpful, drop a comment below. Cheers for watching.